I've got two unboxings for you here. This is our new phones. These are the Samsung Galaxy S23s. Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here with another unboxing for you, or in this case, there are two unboxings. These are our new phones. They've just been delivered today. Obviously, my partner couldn't wait, so she wanted to open and have a look. But that's fine, it's fine, just having a look anyway. So, these are from, we get our telephones through Sky. If they want to recycle, they do a gubbins like that, but I'm not doing that anyway. I'm just going to go into the unboxing and have a look. So let me get off the outer boxing, because it warns you there's a battery inside. Ocean Rescue. So that's my unboxing. I'm not showing the other side because it's got my full address and gubbins all over this. So hopefully we have ourselves that's a Sky Mobile SIM card. We're just going to change the one that we've got already anyway. So there we have the S23. Thank you very much for stopping by. So I'll get the same with this one. Over there's got a SIM card as well. But again, not going to bother. The reason why there's a double unboxing, this is mine, the black one. This is the lavender. This is my partner's one. There do actually two other colours. I think there is the green and there is a horrible other colour as well, and I can't find it with the specs in front of me. So let's have a look inside, shall we? You can actually unpeel these without trying. So yeah, a little bit damage to the box there, but oh, look at that way instead. No, it doesn't. She did actually say that I've unboxed this to have a look. I'm a bit excited. Yes, that's no problem. But she put it in the wrong way around. So here we have the S23. What is that in here? Is that another... Okay, that's strange. What you get in the box, obviously. What you get in the box is a phone. You get something that's stickish, I don't know what. And you also have... in here, there's a distinct lack of something. Can you tell what it is yet? I mean, we always get Samsungs anyway, so that's an empty box, bit of packaging, leave that to one side. We have a cable, which is USB-C to USB-C, which is fine if you need those cables. Everything's going towards them now anyway, but by the time everybody's got to a USB-C to C, there'll be a USB-D to D. There's a pin there which will get the SIM tray out. I don't think these actually now do. Yeah, I think there does a SIM tray, which isn't. I can't see it. It's there. So we have the charging port on the bottom. We use a magnetic charging, so put one of them in there. Charge up with a magnetic device. Absolutely perfect. So there, I think we have a microphone there. Possibly another speaker there. 3 cameras on the back. Flash. I think the thumbprint reader might be the same place as the S. We had the S10s before this and the S7s before that. And my partner had a lot more Samsungs way before that. So I'm going to leave that one so the missus couldn't play about with that one. I'll just go into one side. So I'll just compare on colours with that anyway when it gets round to it. It's a little... It is lavender. It is quite nice. The back is plastic. Feels plastic to me. And I know plastic. So, let me get onto some proper opening now. Do not open if seal's broken. I'm just going to go across it with a knife, because that's the way I like to roll. So I'm going to do both sides. Done. So, this is the proper unboxing. He says, well, it's stuck in place. Whoa, hello. Right, so you open it up, and there's your box with all the gubbins in, and the phone was upside down. That's not even a phone, is it? That is a phone. Why is that there? Is that just packaging then? That stops this part getting scratched. It is, isn't it? Okay, fine. Thank you very much. But it is upside down, so the bottom part does get... Okay. So, colour-wise, yes. Bright pink. Well, they do call it, like I said, they do call it lavender, which is a bit weird. So, yeah, very light compared to the black. Very square, very the last one we got with the S10s had got the rounded edge on there, but now we're back to flat screens anyway. So no screen protector on the back, or is there? That's it. I'm going to leave that one. I'm just using that for colour comparing with these two. No, I'm not actually sponsored by Samsung. Wish to God I was. But yeah, done a comparison on colour-wise and what you get. It's exactly the same on each one. So does this come off? I know the sides do, but I might leave those on. I left them on the last one anyway. So, shall we? Done. It's actually a lot smaller than I thought. I have an S10 here, which I actually use quite a lot of. And it's... Sorry, an S7. It's actually smaller than an S7. That's weird. Obviously this has gone through quite a lot. This was my first filming camera when I first started the channel. So on the back you've got one camera, a flash and a sensor. On here we've now got 3 and a flash. Don't know where the sensors are, if any sensors are present. So let me turn this thing on. I'm thinking volume and power. There's nothing else on here. It's not switched on, so I'm going to press and hold. Hopefully there's some battery in here. The pink one, I was told that it was a little bit of charge in there. That's really not shown on the camera. That's quite bright, but I can't see that at all on the camera. Angle, there it is. See, look at that. It's like almost invisible. I think it's the pole filter. There it is. Right, so I move the pole filter on here. There we go. I can see it now. It blocks out a lot of unwanted light. 40%, so start. Yeah, I want to do what? A common? Yeah. Okay, so English. I'm English, but I am also United Kingdom. So yes. You have to agree to all, don't you? Optional. Optional, my bum. Okay, set up using another device. Okay, to copy settings from accounts, the other device. Right, okay, so I need to get another phone. I can use this with, oh yeah, the Smart Things app I can do backups with. I could do with doing that now, but later. But it's nice they're actually doing iPhones as well. The rolling on the screen there. Like I said, I can just turn it to black. There we go. Nope. Yeah, I got a thing. So I'll skip that one. I'll do it another way. Choose a network. It will find a network, and I don't want to show you that at the moment. I'll turn off Wi-Fi. So I won't turn on Wi-Fi. Yeah. So basically, opening up this thing is an absolute nightmare because I'm showing every single one of my settings off. Connect to my Wi-Fi in here. Yep, I'm here. Fine. Service provider setup. Now, I haven't got a SIM card in this. This will come from the other phone, but I think this is just an unboxing to see what you get. I was hopefully going to see a lot more of the phone, and unfortunately, I am not seeing anything. So at the moment, I might have to restart this when I put the SIM card in and see what's what. There's no glass film on here. This is just straight out to nothing. Plastic, I said plastic on the edge. SIM card does come out at the bottom there. There is very little on these. There isn't even a charger with this, which is quite weird. So, yeah. I don't know if I'm quite happy with this or not. I mean, we were told ages ago that they were reducing things anyway with the Samsung. I mean, that's nice enough. Anyway, these were announced in February, released in February. Searching for eSIM. No, connect to a network. Skip. Yeah, I'm just going to skip for the time being. I will reset this and I'll do my own phone on there anyway at my own time. But this is just literally to show you what this is. I would have liked an S23 Ultra with a far too big. But then again, thinking about it, these are quite far too small as well. So I don't know. This is really thin for the tech you get on this. I mean, let's have a look on this. The body on this it's only 5.93 ounce, which is 168 grams. Glass front, which is Gorilla Glass Victus 2, is built into it. The glass back is Victus 2 as well, so it should be solid enough. Copy apps and data. Don't copy. I just want to get this into something so I can see it. Yeah, the display is an OM OLED ×2 dynamic version. I don't want to sign you into anything. Skip everything because I'm showing you guys what is on the phone. Yes, except this is a search engine. It will be Google. Make Google happy. Oh, skip. Protect your phone, skip. I hate passcodes, I hate thumbprints, I hate things like that because they always go wrong. Platforms is Android 13 at the moment. Looks like it's a, oh, come off. Get recommended apps. I don't want to get recommended apps. Take your phone. No, skip anyway. Oh, this looks like it's not going to go into where I want it to go. Okay. Skip my phone number. Skip that. More. Agree. Oh, dark. I like the dark mode. Ooh, that looks nice. Get all set up. So now, hopefully, with the fingerprint finally on there, we have the phone. I have a full network there. Oh, that's very light. Granted, this is fresh out of the box. I don't have anything complete and set up, one app installed. There is nothing on here which has got my account anyway, so there. Torch. Yeah, we've got a torch on there. Location. This is standard. You guys know exactly what these do anyway. So if you like the phone, the way it looks, the size-wise, yeah, it is. Like I say, it is quite small. Can I turn that off? Just go into there. Yep. And then I swipe to open. Ooh, hello. That's pretty. Stop rolling. There's like little dust stuff. It's like a. Can I play with that? No, I can't play with that. That's nice. It's a nice screensaver thing. Okay, so do you get one from the side? Oh, okay. I'm not signed to Google, so I can't get the side one. I hate that side app. That scrolls into there. Game launcher, Samsung free. Yes, we have standard everything. I could put the weather in, and I could put as many apps as I want in. Pairing between one device and another is dead easy anyway. When you've got Samsung's, like I say, it's already showing that it will do with an iPhone as well, which is quite impressive that Samsung are pairing themselves a little bit with iPhone. Tap on there to show you full volume on everything. Back on there, brightness. Have we got a brightness level on here? No, we don't. Clear all those. Brightness is there, right? Okay. A lot of phones come with adaptive brightness to save your battery, but I'm quite happy just charging this up daily and doing what I want with the phone. Still setting up. So, okay. So, as an unboxing, there you go. I'm not showing you a setup. It doesn't really matter so much. You want to set it up your own account. Good luck. Off you go. 3 cameras on the back. Let's have a look what the camera is. There's 128 gigabytes in here, which 8 gig worth of RAM. There was an option for 256. I didn't want that. These were from Sky. I think they were £27 a month, which isn't actually too bad. If I wanted for over 2 years, it would have been a lot more. Yeah, the main camera is a 50 megapixel camera, and then also there's a 10 and a 12 on there as well. The 12 is an ultra wide, the 10 is a telephoto, whereas the 50 is just a wide, and I'll be using that for everything anyway. The selfie camera is a 12 megapixel on the front. I remember when they used to be, what guys, 1 megapixel? Wow, now up to 50 without even trying. Yeah, the sound on it there is a jack on there apparently. Oh no, there isn't a jack on there. So there will be an adapter for the USB-C to put a headphone jack in. There will be something available. USB is Type C 3.2 OTG. Sensors, got a fingerprint under the display. Okay, so it will be down there again. Colours come Phantom Black. They come in cream. They come in green. They come in lavender, which is nice. They also do, on Samsung themselves, do graphite and lime. So basically not as black and not as, yeah, green. So they've got some nice little stuff on there for what the price you pay for these are pretty good. Like I said, there is a Plus and there is an Ultra in the range as well. They're a lot bigger than these, especially the Ultra. It's not for what I want anyway. So there's plenty of stuff to do on an Android phone. We've got a platform. I'm going to look on the chipset. Is a Qualcomm 8550 AC Snapdragon 8 Generation 2. And octa-core. God, eight cores on it. Cool. 1 times 3.36, 3 times, Cortex times 3, and 2 times 2.8 cores. So basically they've got plenty of different cores in them. There's not just one core which will do all things. So specific cores do different types of stuff with it. It's quite weird lately. Which is, it's nice to see the doing stuff like this, but it's now, the technology is now getting a little bit beyond me. I just want a phone, I want to be able to shop, and I want to be able to take nice photos wherever I go. And now I can do this on this, and if I look deep into this, I'll end up going insane. I know I will. I mean, there's obviously going to be is it actually, I need to look on the camera on this. Main camera, what does it do? Ah, right. The S10 that I had could go to 4K. This can do, I've just lost it and all, literally. Is this an 8K? The selfie camera can do 4K, that's ridiculous. And the main camera can do 8K at 24 to 30 frames per second, can do 4K at 30 to 60 frames per second, do 1K up to 240 frames per second. That is insane. Which is really nice to see something as mad as that. I might be using this for some of my videos, I don't know. I know I'm definitely going to use the S10 in here as a platform, and the S7 I can use for another type of camera around anyway. So, there we go. I'm going to go and play it and set this thing up. And my partner's obviously chomping at the bit to start playing with that one anyway. So there on the side. And I'll thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow me on social media. Consider being a Patreon. The links are all below. Consider a donation to the channel. If you've got one of the nice green ones or the cream ones you'd like to give away, please. Links are in the description below. Get in touch and start a conversation. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.